Hello guys, today I just wanted to show you a quick video on how I solved my proximity sensor problem. Um, I actually bought a new proximity sensor which I replaced on my screen, and it didn't want to dim the screen correctly. So what I did here is that I took a small flathead screwdriver and I just simply scratched this this space. There are actually two parts because there's a black line, a divider between. Um, Let me zoom so you can see it clearly here. Right here you can see there are actually two holes, so you should be careful because you should keep this black divider, and that's basically it. But if you don't want the very this blank space to be clearly seen, you can just take a pen like this. I've chosen a violet and paint it over like I did, as you can see, so it won't be seen from the other side. And that's basically it. It functions normally now, and that's it. Enjoy it.